Welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to show you a little item that I picked up to go along with my DJI OSMO Action 4. I picked up the DJI MIC 2, just the transmitter alone. I didn't get the whole pack because I'm only going to use it for, I'm just going to use it for the OSMO Action 4. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. Let's open this up. See what's in the package. Okay. In a nice little bag here. Really nicely packed. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, silica gel. Hey, you know what it said? Do not eat. I don't know. It might taste good, I don't know. Let's see. And instructions. So it goes right through what you need to do here. It's in a bunch of different languages. Yeah. Oh well. Okay, let's open. How do you get into this bag? Didn't even. Okay, I guess we just rip it open. Alright, tough. Alright, comes in this nice little zipper bag, DJI. Guess what? Some more silica. You don't want to eat that either. Alright. Okay. Nice bag, zippered. Let's see what we got here. On this side here, unzip it. Okay, you got your cord. USB-A to USB-C. On this side, unzip it, and here you are. Oh, what else we got? This zipper, okay. So on this side, this is a big pouch. On this side, you got two small little pouches. And this is your mic. Real small. Okay. Got the black one. There's the USB. They plug it in to charge it or whatever. Alright. Magnet. Oh, that's a good. Holy crap, that's a good strong magnet. Damn. Alright. So this has a clip on it that you clip onto your shirt. And if you want to, you could just use the magnet. Put the magnet on the inside of your shirt. And then just that'll hold it right on there. Holy crap, that is strong. Alright. What else we got here? And we have your little sound muff, which is just got a little tab here. And then this part just goes right over to the speaker, so just like this. Or the mic or whatever, I don't know. Mic's in there, so just guess it just pushes down on there. There you go. I'm gonna charge this up, figure out how to use this. Alright, this looks like this might be the power on button. And this looks like the, it's got a picture of a, this is the power button, it looks like. See, power. And this has a little chain here, I don't know if you can see it. That's probably how to you know, link to whatever, put it in link mode. And there's a light there, so that'll probably be, I don't know what color it is yet. This is where you can charge, and And I suppose probably get your file off of there from your backup audio. And this might be the record button too for your audio track if you're saving it, and that's the light for that, I think so. But let's see, let's just turn this on. See if there's any battery in here.
A few moments later.
Press and hold the record button until the indicator turns solid blue. Solid blue. Press and hold link till it's blinking quickly. Boom. DJI connected. And all right. Can you hear me? 1, 2. All right. Master volume. Monitor volume. Okay. Vibration on. Audio to video sync. I have no idea what that does. I don't know if it says anything. Format transmitter. Confirm. Okay. All right, now you can see the mic up there. Does it? Yeah. All right. All right. Let's try this out. I'm gonna try out see what it sounds like on the DJI. All right, can you hear me? I don't know how. Now the light is red on there that we're recording. Blue light that we're hooked up. And like I was saying before, get this magnet off there. That magnet's tight. Put the magnet on the inside of your shirt. And it'll hold right there. All right, what's it sound like? Hopefully it comes out good. But like I said before, link will be in the description below if you're interested in this. DJI MIC 2, just the transmitter. You could also get the receiver and 2 transmitters if you want, but I only needed this one, so to save me some money, just needed the transmitter. But that's the end of the video. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the DJI mic? But right now, I just want to see how good this sounds, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.